Implementing dynamic pricing strategies for small businesses. In today's highly competitive business landscape, dynamic pricing has become a potent tool for small businesses to thrive. It has the potential to significantly boost revenue, outperform competitors, and attract loyal customers. It's a powerful tool that can give your business a competitive edge in the market. Let's explore how you can implement dynamic pricing strategies effectively. Step 1. Understand the fundamentals. Understanding the basics of dynamic pricing is crucial. Adjusting real-time prices based on data insights can positively impact your business's bottom line. Step 2. Gather data. Collect data from various sources, such as social media, search engines, and news websites. Monitor competitors' pricing through price comparison websites and social media monitoring tools. Step 3. Utilize AI technology. Harness the power of AI technology and analytical tools such as Excel, Tableau, or Power BI to interpret data efficiently. Gain valuable insights to drive informed decisions that propel your business forward. Step 4. Employ dynamic pricing solutions. Explore dynamic pricing solutions like Omnia Retail or Competera to automate price adjustments based on market changes. Stay agile and adapt swiftly to market dynamics for strategic positioning. Step 5. Monitor and optimize performance. Track your performance using tools like Google Analytics. Refine your pricing strategies in response to market trends and competitor actions to maintain a competitive edge. Step 6. Prioritize data privacy and fairness. When implementing dynamic pricing strategies, ensure data privacy and fairness. Conduct audits of AI algorithms to guarantee transparency and fairness in your pricing strategies. Additional information. Did you know that businesses implementing dynamic pricing strategies have seen an average revenue increase of 10–20%? You can enhance customer satisfaction and boost competitiveness by tailoring your pricing strategy to market demand. Statistics. Businesses using dynamic pricing experience an average revenue growth of 2–5%. Dynamic pricing can lead to a 3–10% increase in customer retention rates. 80% of consumers are more likely to purchase if they perceive the price as fair and personalized. Conclusion. Dynamic pricing techniques are essential for small business owners to increase revenue, stay competitive, and satisfy their customers. By adopting these strategies, they can adjust prices in real time based on changing market conditions and customer demand. This enables businesses to maximize profits and maintain a flexible pricing structure accommodating different customer preferences. Overall, implementing dynamic pricing techniques can significantly benefit small businesses in various aspects. Start your journey into dynamic pricing today with tailored solutions and expert insights. Transform your pricing strategy to drive business growth and success.